Good day everyone, I'm Joshua Clement and this is how to fasten conduit to a wall. Running conduit is a great way to get around having to run the wires through the walls, especially on your finished garage walls. If you don't want to mess with that, you can just run conduit on the outside of the wall. For this job, I'm going to be using a battery-powered drill with an extension and number 2 bit. You also need some wall fasteners and screws. So it's very important when you're fastening the conduit to the wall that you put it into something secure, like a stud. Otherwise, if you have drywall, it's just going to pull right out. If you're going over top of plywood or OSB, you can put the screws anywhere you want to because that's going into some wood, which has some strength to it. So we're going to run this horizontally. So what we want to do is find a stud and put our fastener right over top of the stud. That way we can screw into that stud. Now we're going to take a screw, puncture it into our wall, grab our drill and go ahead and fasten it up. Now before I put the bottom screw on, I'm going to go down, make sure that this is nice and level, exactly like I want it, and put another bracket in there and then come back and fasten up the other screw. Running conduit is a very easy job that you can do in a fraction of the time of trying to put it back inside the wall and through all those studs. Thank you all for watching. Good luck with this project.